Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable the new Show Smaller Taskbar buttons feature in Windows 11 and how to fix it if the option is missing or not available on your PC. Microsoft has introduced a new compact taskbar option in Windows 11. When enabled, taskbar icons become smaller, the taskbar height becomes shorter, you get more screen space for apps and windows. This feature is especially useful for smaller screens and laptops. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left side, click Windows Update. Now click Check for Updates and install all available updates. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. This is important because the feature may not appear on older Windows 11 builds. Now again, open Settings. Click Personalization from the left side, then open Taskbar. Scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors. Here you will see the option, Show Smaller Taskbar Buttons. Set to Always. Immediately, your taskbar icons and taskbar height will become smaller. No restart or sign out is required. If the option is missing, if you still do not see the option, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated because this feature is currently rolling out in newer builds and experimental channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.